Hi, and welcome to Greentree Village Townhomes in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. All our townhomes are equipped with central air and gas heat. Private entrances with your mailbox right outside your door. Sliding glass windows overseeing your patio. Downstairs does include your living room area, offset to your dining room. All dining rooms in our townhomes have ceiling fans. In the kitchen, we have our little breakfast area, along with your appliances and your garbage disposals. Some of our townhomes do come with a half bath downstairs. Upstairs, up here, we have our full bath with a large tub and shower. And in all of our townhomes in the hallway, we have our laundry center. Into our master bedroom, we have ceiling fans, a walk-in closet, and other closet spaces. Located right off your bedroom, we have the large glass sliding door going out to your balcony, overlooking the property. But you can see we do have amenities, include outside fitness, playground, and our dog park. In the other bedroom, we also have closet space. And may I add, all our townhomes come equipped with TV hookup. Also with our amenities, we have a golf putting green and an outdoor patio grilling area. In season, it will come with tables and lounging chairs, plus a grill for your grilling needs. So come join us here at Greentree Village and call it your home. Thank you.